Hello, my name is Tillmann. I am a senior UX writer at XING, and I've been with this company for more than a decade now. So XING is an internet platform where people can improve their working lives. We offer XING in 5 languages: German, English, French, Spanish and Italian. In the beginning, we had a translation tool that was built internally by our developers, but it became buggy and we realized that it wasn't scalable. So we knew we needed a professional solution. What we wanted to have was a solution that could scale, that was reliable, that was fast and that was secure. We have millions of customers, so we need solutions that can handle this kind of traffic. So we decided on Phrase because we found a team that was very open to our feedback and ideas and suggestions. And we felt that this was a tool that was constantly evolving and improving. And what I like most is that's a very reliable tool, which is very important because if something breaks, often you can see it directly either on the platform or in the apps. There are many things that change in the translation business, like you need different plugins or something, but there are also constants, which are mostly reliability and performance and security. And those are the things I would focus on because they used to be important, they're important now, and they will be important in the future.